Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. Today I have the Glam Treasure Box April 2019 edition to unbox and review in this video. It's a travel themed box named as Wanderlust edition and I personally loved it. And I felt this edition is definitely value for money for a price tag of $14.49 including shipping. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box looks like. As always, it has the Glam Treasure logo on it. Once we open, we have the info card, and here are all the products. So let's go through them one by one. So the first product here is a t-shirt in red color. It's a normal round neck t-shirt that everybody would love. On it, it says vacay mode with this pineapple print. So if you're going to any tropical destination or anywhere as such, this is a very comfy vacation or travel time t-shirt. You can wear this on your trips. The material is pretty good. It's quite thick quality and it's stretchable as well. They've sent me the size large and size is customized. So yeah, this is the first product and definitely a great product. You're getting a clothing item that's comfy and that you can always wear. Like round neck t-shirts are something that everybody can wear. And I also feel that sizing is pretty good. It's not like this is smaller than the size it looks. It's probably a bit larger than the size it looks. It says on the tag, so definitely happy. Red is my favorite color and I always like to wear red. So definitely very happy with that. Next we have a floral print bag like this. So this is actually a backpack, a very cute and pretty one. These are the back straps that you can adjust. There's a single zipper in between and it has this much width, a decent width it has. So it will carry way more than a normal handbag or sling bag. And it also has this front zipper for like your phone or some cash that you want to reach easily, and there is this small pocket on the side as well. On both the sides actually there are two small pockets, and most of all I love the color and the print. It's so girly and it's so nice. It has a cream color with pink and green color floral pattern on it. Looks very pretty and cute, and I really like the size. I mean, it's perfect to carry your camera. If you're someone who goes on trips and finds it difficult to carry camera around, this is a perfect size. You can keep some normal basic things along with your camera in this. So I'm definitely gonna use this. I love it. So far I have loved both the products. Now moving on, we have a water bottle. So it seems simple, but on the front it says eat well and travel often. So perfect bottle to travel with. It has like a pastel pink with golden color in white background. Looks so nice. Nowadays I'm loving white. I have a newborn love for white things and white color, so I love this. It's simple and yet it's so pretty, especially the golden detailing, and the pastel pink goes really well with white. And the theme, everything, it's very lightweight as well, so it makes it perfect to travel with. It has this travel friendly hook here, so you can attach it to your bike or your car wherever you're going. And this is how the inside looks like. It's a steel bottle like the ones we usually get from stores, so these do not leak easily as well, so definitely very good to travel with. I am so far loving the box. Then next we have two products with choice options. First is a sunglass. So you will get around 8 to 10 options to choose from, and I have chosen this one. Great that they have sent the sunglasses inside this proper sturdy case. So this is how the glasses I chose looks like. These are reflectors in an orangish yellowish color with golden frame on it. And this is the backhand side of it. It just looks black. It says it will protect you from UV rays. So here you can see it says impact resistant UV up to 400 mm protection. It has a glass lens which has UV 400 protection. So it's definitely better quality. It's not just a normal local glass they're sending, which most of the subscription boxes sent, to be honest. and I have chosen a color so different and something that I won't usually choose because I have my basics and I will not wear non-branded glasses very often. So I wanted something stylish and something that I can wear occasionally for maybe photo shoots or something like that. So basically I wanted it to be different than the glasses that I already own. So I chose these reflectors. I'm pretty happy with them. They're actually quite decent quality. Now after this, there's another product of choice, and this is a branded product. It's by the brand Oriflame, a very well-known brand, and it's the Color Box Lip Pop. It expires in December 2021. Here are more details. It is having 4.5 grams of product, and the shade I chose is this one. It's a beautiful fuchsia pink shade, and this is how it looks. It's a tinted lip balm, so you can use it on your lips throughout the day to keep it moisturized as well as have some tint on it. And I personally like lip balms which have a little bit of tint because I'm so used to wearing lipsticks, I just cannot see myself without any color on my lips. It has a very nice fruity fragrance, guys. I didn't know that. I'm loving the fragrance. Definitely happy with this one too. Then we have a beautiful earring here. So that is how it looks. It has a pineapple design and it has crystals, green and yellow crystals. If you have noticed, Glam Treasure Box always sends beautiful crystal earrings, and I really like to wear them. These are definitely something that are subtle yet statementy, very classy and very stylish at the same time. I really like them. This is how the back side looks, simple, and yeah, the quality seems great. The stones are pretty amazing, so I am happy with them. Now let's have a look at the pricing details. So this is the Wanderlust edition, and we have the earrings for 320 rupees, backpack for 999, the travel bottle for 650, t-shirt for 750, sunglasses for 789, and color lip pop for 239. Well, I will not say that all of this pricing is very justified because honestly I'm not very sure, but for the price we are paying, this box is definitely worth it. I've got a nice t-shirt, a bottle and a bag. All of these three I absolutely loved. The sunglasses, I'll use it occasionally, especially when I'm going on trips. If I'm going out to a place where my sunglasses might fall or I can't keep them properly, I like to wear such sunglasses which are kind of travel friendly, and then I surely use this tinted lip balm and this earring. So overall it's a great box, and I've got more value for money than the editions I've got before. So this one I did like a lot, and I'll definitely give it a big thumbs up. If you liked it and are interested in getting it, then definitely go ahead. The quality of the products is really good. So if you think this is something that you like, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out and place your order. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.